What's that sound? Baby's toolbox on the ground. Tiny hammer, tiny screw. Baby says, I fix for you. Wiggle, wrench, and measuring tape. Little hands are feeling great. Mommy smiles and Daddy too. Let's see what Baby wants to do. Daddy's chair goes squeak, squeak, squeak. Baby comes with rosy cheeks. Tap the leg and turn around. Oops, the cushion's on the ground. Daddy laughs, oh my, oh dear. Our tiny fixer's working here. Baby claps and says, ta-da! Daddy gives a big hurrah. Uh-oh, oh no, what did I do? Daddy smiles and says thank you. Little hands are learning too. Trying hard is what we do. Tap, tap, twist, twist. Baby wants to help like this. Fix, fix, oopsie-doo. Mommy, Daddy still love you. Bang, bang, wiggle, whoa. Where did all the toy screws go? Little mess, big, big cheer. Our tiny helpers here. Mommy's table has a wobbly side. Baby walks with tools and pride. Turns one screw, then turns two. Oops, a crayon stuck like glue. Mommy giggles, what a sight! Red and blue and yellow bright. Baby points and smiles with glee. I made art for you and me. Uh-oh, oh no, what did I do? Mommy smiles and hugs you too. Messy work and giggles start. Baby fixes with the heart. Tap, tap, twist, twist. Baby wants to help like this. Fix, fix, oopsie-doo. Mommy, Daddy still love you. Bang, bang, wiggle, whoa. Where did all the toy screws go? Little mess, big, big cheer. Our tiny helpers here. Toy car wheel goes roll, roll, roll. Baby says I'm in control. Puts the wheel on Teddy's shoe. Now Teddy has a race car too. Teddy zooms across the floor. Baby laughs and wants some more. Daddy says that's not quite right, but Teddy's racing fast tonight. Little shelf goes tilt, tilt, tilt. Baby brings a tiny quilt. Puts it under, pats it down. Oops, the books all tumble round. Books go plop and blocks go boom. Colors dancing through the room. Mommy says we'll stack them high. You and me, let's give it a try. Uh-oh, oh no, what did I do? Books went flying, blocks did too. When we clean and try again, fixing feels like happy play. Tap, tap, twist, twist. Baby wants to help like this. Fix, fix, oopsie-doo. Mommy, Daddy still love you. Bang, bang, wiggle, whoa. Where did all the toy screws go? Little mess, big, big cheer. Our tiny helpers here. Toy train track has come apart. Baby starts with a helper heart. Piece by piece and click, click, clack. Oops, the tunnel's on the track. Train says toot and stops right there. Baby gives a surprise stare. Mommy says that's okay, we can build another way. Baby takes the measuring tape. Measures chair and Teddy's cape. Measures shoes and Daddy's knee. Then measures Mommy's cup of tea. Take a zip and Baby jumps. Oops, it wrapped around the blocks. Round and round a silly line. Baby says the blocks are fine. Uh-oh, oh no, what did I do? Measuring tape went looping through. Mommy laughs and Daddy cheers. Best little builder of the year. Tap, tap, twist, twist. Baby wants to help like this. Fix, fix, oopsie-doo. Mommy, Daddy still love you. Bang, bang, wiggle, whoa. Where did all the toy screws go? Little mess, big, big cheer. Our tiny helpers here. Now the room is messy mess. Baby tried to do his best. Tools and blocks are everywhere. Teddy's sitting on a chair. Mommy brings a little box. Daddy picks up tiny blocks. Baby helps with 1, 2, 3. Cleaning up is fixing too, you see. Not too perfect, not too neat. Tiny hands and tiny feet. Every oops and every try makes the